Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by fitting a fresh AA battery and testing the trimmer on your wrist to confirm speed. Once done, comb brows up toward the hairline. Make sure to attach a conservative guard like 1/4 or 1/2 to avoid overcutting. You trim only the longest hairs on this first pass, moving the blade in short, gentle strokes. This establishes basic length while reducing risk. Keep breath steady and eyes focused. This first action sets the shape, and once the initial length is set, you hold skin taut with one hand and trim with the other to gain control. This reduces pulling and gives cleaner lines. Make short, light passes in the direction of hair growth to avoid choppy edges, and pause frequently to check symmetry in the mirror. If you need definition, remove the guard and do very careful detail work around the arch and tail, because smaller cuts change shape quickly. Keep comparing both brows, so you adjust evenly as you refine. To finish, you clean the blade immediately. Brush loose hairs away and rinse the head if it's waterproof, then dry it completely before storing. Make sure to soothe skin with aloe or a cold compress if there's redness, and use tweezers for any stubborn stray hairs to perfect the edge. If you nick the skin, press firm for a minute and avoid further trimming. If the motor stalls, change the battery and retest on your wrist before continuing, because power issues often mimic blade problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.